Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. My name is Asal Adil and welcome back to our channel The Pro Gamers. Guys, Temple Run Part 8. And guys, in this part we have the super crazy target. We will play one match with each character, which means one with Guy Dangerous, Scarlet Fox and Barry Bonds. And the three have to do highest run, and they even do not have to collect a single coin. And if they collected even a single coin, their turn will be eliminated. And now the match starts in 3, 2, 1 and we will see the match started. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for your love and support. I am seeing the views on my videos. I wanted to thank you. Thanks a lot guys, because everything starts from slow to fast. Like I will get viewers, subscribers slowly, I knew. Guys, I could also make the videos for GTA 5, but as guys a gamer, I have a different target. My target is to play all types of games, and guys, that was too risky for Guy Dangerous. Okay, so guys, that's a very high run. Oh guys, I think so he should crash there, because his turn will not be counted for the lot high run. Oh guys, a mistake done by this man Guy Dangerous. But what a beautiful total. 26,796 is the total of Guy Dangerous. So now Scarlet Fox has to do the total of 26,797. Let me pause the video for ad. Okay, so guys, welcome back. And now let's go to the main menu, Stat Store, and now let's activate the Scarlet Fox. It's currently activated, and the target is very easy as the run goes high, but still a big total from Guy Dangerous, because coins comes if you do not care of anything. And guys, the target for Scarlet Fox is of 26,797. So guys, let's see, will she be able to be victorious or not? In short, will she complete the target and become the first right now in these two's war? Then it's war for Barry Bonds. Let's see everything. Now it's turn for Scarlet Fox. The match starts in 3, 2, 1. The match has been started. Rather, I shouldn't say the match has been started now, because it's the second turn. I should say that the turn has been started. What do you think? Comment me. Oh, mistake. Guess that is a mistake. So guys, no turn counted for Scarlet Fox. That was a very big mistake from her. So now guys, Scarlet Fox is out of this match. Now it's turn for Barry Bonds. Let's pause the video for ad. Guys, this is super crazy guys. Scarlet Fox collected coins, so she's out, and 26,797 guys. As I told that a single mistake can kill you. Even in Temple Run the score goes higher. You can go to 68,000 if you want without collecting coins. Now let's see what will happen this time. Now the turn starts for Barry Bonds in 3, 2, 1 and 0. And now let me remind you guys that the target is set as 26,797 to be victorious for Barry Bonds. Let's see guys. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have created a playlist of Subway Surfers and Temple Run, and I am extending the date for a lucky draw of Subway Surfers. First I told that the date has been ended, but then I thought that very few people are watching me, so then I have extended the date. Now no more date will be extended. Well, that was a smart decision, but guys, a mistake this time. Barry Bonds 15,450 run. So in summary guys, Guy Dangerous won the second match. So guys, east or west, Guy Dangerous is the best. Is the summary of these two matches from my opinion. Okay, so guys, this is gonna bring the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now I'll meet you in Temple Run part number 9. Till then, goodbye.